Okay, so I got a ticking noise in my Nissan Altima. It's 2011. It's 2 ticking noises. So you guys can hear it one more time. And the ticking noises stopped when I exceed 20 miles per hour. So yeah, can somebody please help me with what you think it is? It's even worse in reverse. You guys are about to hear it right now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you heard that. One ticking noise, and then the second one comes right here.